Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messages, or what you wanna do guys to fix this problem is actually so easy. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to apps, search for Instagram, click on it, click on data usage here, disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and after 2 seconds enable them back again. Go back and then click on force stop. After that, click on notifications management. Make sure also that all these options are enabled. Last thing you want to do is go back and open the Play Store, and if you have iPhone you can open the App Store. Search here for Instagram and update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.